Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can withdraw your money from Ecwid. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do first to get your money once people buy your products is go into payment and set up a payment processor. As you can see, I have a pay by cash, which people can just pay by pickup. However, you can also connect and enable different payment methods such as Stripe and PayPal. And you can also add manual payment methods. You can also add more options to accept online PayPal payments in your country. In my case, it's Poland. I've set that up as a tutorial country, and you can also set up payment alternatives if you want to. Now, I'll just go over into this FAQ for Ecwid on their support, and the steps that you go through or the customer goes through for payments is the following. Your customer just puts the items in your cart and goes to checkout. Then once the customer buys an item with either a credit or debit card by filling in the fields, you will get your money. Once the payment provider processes that payment, they'll check the legitimacy, and that approval process just takes mere seconds. Then they'll be transferred into a merchant's account. This is not your own bank account. For virtual accounts such as PayPal, they will go into that merchant account, which will then have those funds, which you can then manually send the funds to your own bank account, or alternatively, it'll happen automatically depending on your payment processor. And then once those funds are sent, your funds will be available. Now, I don't use PayPal myself, so I can't really explain to you guys how those merchant accounts work. If you have a merchant account and you connect it to here, you will be able to send yourself the money from this account, and that is pretty much it. Now, if they pay directly with card, I'm not sure if they have merchant accounts for that. However, they might, so you might have to go and manually send your money to yourself that way. However, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.